Hello again, guys, and let's open our Firebase as well. It's not this one. Okay, click here. Yeah, it's Ionic C2 2023. And as you remember, the first video we set up our authentication part, Firestore database and storage. So like that, everything is fine, and we have our web application here, Ionic C2. When I click here, we have everything about it, and we got this configurational setting for Firebase and put it in the environment .ts file. So everything clear in database in Firebase and everything fine. So no user exists for now, and let's close those ones. And yeah, let's refresh our page. So first of all, guys, we need to send your phone number to the Firebase. You need to put the international code. For example, for me now I'm in Qatar, so our international code is plus 974, and after that I put my the rest of my phone number. So yeah, let's go ahead and see here, and let's implement our send OTP code. And what we need exactly here to inject some things is the Angular file store, and we need to create another service for this reCAPTCHA. Yeah, before we go ahead, we need to add something here. Is div with the ID reCAPTCHA verifier, for example. And let's get the okay, let's let it like that for now, and later we will hide it directly. So what we need to do here is to create Ionic a new service, generate service, for example shared, as I remember, yeah, shared slash services slash I name it like window verifier or window service. Okay, window, let's just say window. And normally we need like for now win reference, or okay, win ref, let's say it's any type. And in the constructor here we need to inject first of all is private, and we put window ref as window service. Okay, this is the first one. And within the constructor itself we say win ref is equal, or it's saved the window ref, and we need also to inject private AFS is Angular file store, file, oops, this one is Angular file store. So in here we don't, okay, normally you can use like this loader, so when you send your mobile number it will load, but let's do it later. And for now maybe we need like a router, but okay, let's inject it later as well. So in here everything is fine for the constructor part, and we need now to go in the bottom and continue with the send login OTP, or the code OTP. So let's just const, and let's put auth variable is get auth. This is for the reCAPTCHA verifier, so we need to put these ones, and the auth code is we need to import it in the top, is something from Firebase /pub. So like that, we go ahead here. Okay, let's try with it. Okay, cannot show the imports. So import auth from Angular, I think, or yes, just Firebase /auth, I think. Yeah. So also here we need the sign in with phone number, and let's add it now. Sign in phone number, and we need also the captcha verifier. Okay, that's one. Those two ones we need it as well. And let's continue with sending our OTP code. So yeah, as I said, this we need first of all to fix this verification or the captcha verifier. So this dot winref dot captcha verifier is equal to new captcha verifier, and in here we need to put our this one, our ID. Oh yeah, the captcha verifier, comma. So we need to put size b 0. So yeah, command in here put the auth. This is normally how it works, and const up verifier is equal to this dot winref dot captcha verifier, and okay, so yeah, this API verifier, when we send our mobile number to Firebase, we need to include it as well. But we didn't use for now. Let's say let's directly use. I will use directly like variable for my phone number, and it is, for example, string, and let's say code as well. Verif code is also string, and oops, like that. So we need only to use before that shared module. Where is it? Shared module in here, and we need to import also forms module and the reactive forms module, and we need also to export it. We need also here export this form reaction forms. We can use we will use reaction forms as well. So in here like that we can use ng module here, or form control name, and this reactive forms things within our HTML part. So in here ng model is equal to and we need our phone number. So this one, let's for example add here something like that and save, and you will find this value within the phone input, as you see. Okay. Another thing is it's not like the best way, but let's do it. For example, so here disabled, where it will be disabled when the phone number is equal to empty string. So like that the button is disabled. Yeah, so let's go ahead here and save this file, and we find it disabled, as you see. When you start right, it will be enabled, but this one you need like to put a real phone number, otherwise it will throw error. Okay, so let's go back to our send OTP, and here we need like just sign in with phone number. We put what, and as I said, for now I will the international code number I will put it here, but normally in your application you will use drop downs with different like phone code. But if you build mobile application just for your country or specific country, so like that, you can add directly within your code here, as I will do now. This international code plus this dot phone number. Okay, and in the same time I need to write also this app verifier, and here dot, then it will get confirmation result. So this dot win ref dot confirmation result is equal to, or not equal to, confirmation result. It will save confirmation result, and this dot step plus plus. So otherwise, if there is error, so like that, error, and here we will console, for example, our error. Okay, so this is, let's save it and go ahead. When we put our number and just concentrate on this area in the bottom right area, you will see the reCAPTCHA verifier. It will appear here. So like that, later I will hide it. So in here I will put my yeah, as you see, I put the international code plus 974. So I will just put my personal number. I hope no one call me in this number for now. 3355. Oops. Okay, this one sent. It will put like wait here. Okay, I think there is error or something like that. Cannot read property on the value. Verify. Look, page 53. Capture verifier is correct. And visible and dot is correct. Const of verifier. This will capture verifier. Okay. Sign in with one number of our number of verifier. So then confirmation result is not ref result is step plus plus. Okay. Okay, set directly. Okay. Okay, just a moment, I will back. So sorry guys for the late, and well, I just changed, as you see here, reCAPTCHA container instead of reCAPTCHA verifier, but this have no effect. I mean, let's just put it verifier and go here. And move it in here as well, and no need for this form tag, and let's paste this one as well here. Okay, so like that, nothing changed from the beginning, and what is error was is like this capital R. Just make it small, and let's go back, use this one as well in here, and use this one in here. Okay guys, so yeah, normally it will work now fine without any error. So I will just make my phone tell some voice. So like that you will like hear like when I receive the message. So what I have to do, 33515855 and login. Console the phone number. We will wait a little bit and you will see waiting and you will see the reCAPTCHA. This one. This is the reCAPTCHA I talked about. It's under the button, so we will hide it. So let's choose taxi, taxi, taxi. Verify. This not always appear. Sometimes it will appear. Yeah, twice received phone number is 911684. But we didn't implement the verify OTP yet, so let's do it in the next video. Bye bye.